And then that person told me that BNI is effective. BNI has been helping a lot of people in different countries, and its focused in is really helping entrepreneurs grow their respective businesses. However, as an ordinary and young entrepreneur, and as an auditor also, I was a skeptic about the organization. And like some of you have experienced when you were first invited, minsan, is this really true? Di ba? Tama ba na ang BNI? Is this really what we do in BNI? So that's also lalo na nun, wala pa dito sa Philippines. And then, from that skepticism changed to a very passionate guy who would like to bring BNI in the Philippines, in my experience. Kasi I was again invited, after that that explanation, nawala yon. Like some of you, 2 beses na invite, right? I was invited, I posted one in Facebook, nagpost ako that I'll be traveling in Thailand for a leisure trip. And then, during those days, I announced it in Facebook. Pag-announce ko, sabi niya, nag-message siya, private message, would you like to attend a conference in Thailand? At that point in time, I still don't want to attend. Kasi it's a personal trip. But he told me, please bring 200 business cards. And as a normal entrepreneur, wow, it might be an opportunity, 200 business cards. Sayang naman, for like 2 hours, I'll give my card and I can bring, as a consultant, they might be bringing businesses in the Philippines. So I attended that conference, and then I was struck and amazed by how the meeting was organized and how the conference was organized, because everyone is welcoming, so welcoming. And I believe that's also the inspiration why in IBMC we encourage all the BNI members to be welcoming to all the visitors.
Yes.
Right? And to anyone that they will be meeting in the International Business Matching Conference. So, after that, I went to Malaysia. And then when I went to Malaysia, there was a lady. I think, I don't know if you heard this story already. There was a lady, at the end of the session, in BNI, we're used to doing this one. What's your key takeaway, right? In 1 minute. And then there was one lady who told us in that story that she was about to commit suicide because her business was really down. And just one call from a BNI member, tumawag yung isang BNI member, and she asked, how's your business? How are you? Without knowing kung ano yung nangyayari sa negosyo. Parang randomly, tumawag lang sa kanya. And then, pagtawag sa kanya, noong isang BNI member, since you're experiencing that one, you might want to, I would like to invite you to join our community. It can help you in your business. So at first, dragging siya kasi nga, depressed na siya eh. At first, dragging sa kanya, ito yung story na nag-struck talaga sa akin. And then until every day, she didn't realize that every week she's coming and she joined the chapter already. And then what had happened is that yung school niya, may school siya eh, yung school na business niya, dahil nakipag one-to-one siya sa mga chapter members, everybody understood her struggle in her business. Everybody understood her struggle in her business. And everybody wanted to help her. So, they helped her grow their business, and at that time, it was all over Asia yung network of schools niya. So, from a person who wants to commit suicide, doon ako talagang, BNI can really help a lot of entrepreneurs. And I also noticed, noticed during that time that BNI has already grown in Vietnam. And my question is, Vietnam is even, Philippine economy is even better than Vietnam. Then why is it not yet in the Philippines? So, And I also realized that it's helping a lot of entrepreneurs. Hi. Nasira yung ano.
Yung wala.
Okay. It's helping a lot of entrepreneurs in Vietnam. Then, doon din nabuo natin yung vision that BNI can help a lot of entrepreneurs. And if you help the entrepreneurs grow their respective businesses indirectly, we are helping their families. The families or their employees and even the families of their employees. We can send children to school. So yun po yung na-experience ko. So, bringing BNI in the Philippines, it's not easy. It's not easy. We've had a lot of struggles, especially I was young. Kung nagawa ko nga po yun nung young ako, I believe that you can also do this. You can also lead. I didn't expect that I will be leading a group of entrepreneurs in the Philippines who's really making a lot of difference in the country. Nung una, I was just 30 years old. I was a startup. Everybody is questioning me, and even I'm sure, I don't know if you're still questioning that one, but tinatanong, hindi ka naman magaling na speaker, hindi ka naman magaling na in front of a lot of people. And kahit dito sa Cebu, na-experience ko yan. Di ba? Right? So, may mga nagtatanong, hindi ganon ako inspiring maybe. Or, these are the things that even, kasi we're an entrepreneur, then why will you tell us that you can help us grow our business if you are unexperienced or inexperienced entrepreneur? So these are the questions, and I was really, sometimes I'm teary-eyed or I cry at the back because for me my intention naman is I just want to help a lot this entrepreneurs who's questioning that intention. But why is it that parang nandito yung questions? But at the end of the day, ang nagpapalakas ng loob sa akin is that the intention is unselfish. It's not for me, it's for everyone. Kasi sabi ko nga, I'm the only son, I can live with whatever assets that I have. Alam niyo yun, so kaya ko on my own. But dito, dinala ako na naki-question ako ang credibility, ang intention, but at the end of the day, ang nagpatibay sa akin ng loob is that intention of helping those entrepreneurs, because we believe that it can help a lot of communities, a lot of people. So, yun po yung pinanggalingan ko. Kung kinaya ko ito, noong 30 years old ako, kinaya po natin mag-umpisa noon. Without me, ang bala ko lang dati kasi mga papel lang po yan, wala pang BNI Connect noon. Wala pang ganitong kagandang system. But now we have a better system. We're more international. We're present in 76 plus countries. We have 340,000 members. 10 years ago, we only have less than 100,000 members. We have a bigger network today than before. And we have a lot. This is beyond numbers now. This is more of community building, helping a lot of people. And I'm sure your leadership, it's not about that BNI needs your leadership. Our community needs you as leaders. Needs your leadership. When you help us and step up in leadership in BNI, you're not helping BNI. Kasi it will stand on its own. When you step up in leadership in BNI, you're helping the community. You're helping other people. Lahat ng nagki-question sa akin before, ang lagi ko lang sinasabi in my mind is that basta may isang maniwala muna sa akin, paisa-isa makakaipon ako ng maniniwala. At least nasabi ko sa lahat ng tao yung intention. And that's also something that I also want to share with you. Na I'm sure kung kinaya ko yun ng 30 years old, kinaya ko ng young, hindi ako ganun kagaling magsalita, I'm sure kaya nyo rin mag-step up at maging leader. And I know and I'm very confident, although this is not a franchise, this is a franchise. Before when I started, I did not know that this is a franchise. It was a pure intention that I want to help the community. And now there are a lot of people who are leading, who step up in leadership because they want to help the community. And after this session, you have to ask yourself, would you like to grow yourself and help the community, or would you like to stay in your comfort zone? So that is the big question that I want to ask from you. Because I know that kung ako kinaya ko, kaya din ninyo. Hindi po ako extraordinary. I'm just an ordinary guy who tried to help and to make extraordinary things. Because I want to ensure that I can make an impact to the community. And pasalamat ako doon sa mga leaders. I'm very thankful and grateful, like Mia, like Zoni, like all our leaders in Cebu, who really, like Janice and Paolo, who really stepped up in leadership. And all our leaders here. And Farhad now, right now, is helping. So I'm sure you can also do this. But today, Mia will brief you. Mia will brief us about all the things that how can you participate in leadership, because there are a lot of things, a lot of participation. Hindi niyo naman kailangan general. So si Mia ang mag-explain sa inyo. But I would like to thank you and for listening to me, and rest assured that we are here to commit to all of you that we want to help more entrepreneurs in Cebu. Sana ang Cebu ang maging next. Kung kinaya kung maraming members kinaya ng Metro Manila, I'm sure Cebuanos, we can help and bring BNI to Cebuanos. Mas marami pang Cebuanos ang makikinabang. Kasi nang ginaya ko, sayang, alam mo lalo na sa Asia Pacific, hinahanap Cebu eh. Maraming naghahanap ng Cebu kasi maraming sabi ko na-enjoy ko, sabi ko gusto kong lumipat minsan dito kasi nandito na beach, nandito na lahat, pag magnegosyo ka, nandito sa city, sa isang ganun lang, sa isang island lang, kuha mo na lahat, mapupuntahan mo. So, kaya very attractive in Cebu. And we have a lot of BNI members wherever you go, in Korea or in China, or who wants to go to Cebu. Ang laging mas nakikita nga nila pag Cebu, kasi kilala tourism. And they always ask us, where are the BNI members in Cebu? Yeah. Thank you so much.